In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a record in Knack using the PDF.co and Zapier. We will use this sample PDF in this demonstrations. First, we will create a template ID. On your PDF.co dashboard, click the Document Parser menu. Then, on your Document Parser page, click the New Template to create a new one. Then, click Load the PDF or image file that you're going to use for your template. To get the data, click the Add Object button and choose the Add field from Rectangle selection. Kindly, select the data using the rectangle selection. Once you are done adding the objects, you may now run the template. Here's the output that we successfully parsed the field's value. Now, click the Save Template and Return button to create a new template ID. Here's the template ID that we have created. We will use this template ID for Document Parser and PDF.co template ID fields. Now, let's start making a Zap. In the list of the apps, kindly select the PDF.co for the app event. Then, choose the Document Parser from the lists of the events. Let's set up the Document Parser configurations. For the input fields, select the web content link to get the link of the file inside your drive. For the template ID fields, enter the template ID that we created using the PDF.co Document Parser template. Let's send a request to PDF.co to process the Document Parser and make sure there are no errors in the setup. Excellent. The PDF.co was successfully processed our request. The PDF.co returned the exact value. Now, let's add another app. Select Knack app from the lists of the apps. Next, select the Create Record to create a new record to your Knack database. Then, let's set up the Knack configuration. For the object fields, select the object that you want to use and set the corresponding data inside your object. In the name fields, enter the first and last name value. In the title fields, enter the exact title value. For the address fields, select the corresponding value of the street, the city and the state. For the email fields, choose the specific email value. In the phone fields, enter the specific phone value. Now, let's send a request to PDF.co to process the Knack and create a new record. Great. The PDF.co was successfully processed our request. The PDF.co returned the exact value. Here's the record that we successfully created in Knack database. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.